Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to buy a website on Flippa? In this guide, we will help you to navigate throughout Flippa's platform, evaluate website listings, and make a purchase that fits your needs. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to go ahead to flippa.com and log into your account. After you do so, this is the page that should be opened. And now to buy a website, you can literally go right here and you will have all of this services or businesses that you can buy. The first thing that will be appearing in the list is websites. So right click on it, and as you can see right here, you will find all kind of websites that are being sold on this website. For example, here there is 4,768 business of websites that are being sold at the moment in this website, or in this platform. So here you can have a little bit of filters that can help you. So the first thing that comes to mind is, are we going to buy the full website or simply invest in it or something like that? Well, you can invest in this platform, but occasionally you will not be able, as occasional user, you will not be able to get to the investment part, since you will not get the access into it. You will want to wait for the waitlist. But for now, since we have a new account and this video is totally made for buying, then I'm just gonna explain the buying process. So the first thing that comes here, you will find the top or businesses of websites that are being sold. These ones are basically like not only the top ones, but also they are paying for it. They are like making promotion for their site or the business, so that's why they are appearing in the top. But that doesn't really matter for us. Now there is a couple of things that can help you manage to sort out the best website for you, depending on a lot of factors, such as the revenue that they are making, type of website, and basically the cost of the business itself. So first of all, here you will find in the left all the filters. So let's go here, as you can see, and start by checking things that we want. For example, here revenue generating, we want it to be yes. Then the filter will give us even list number. Here price reduced, fair access, asset type, we want business websites. Let's remove this, websites and online businesses. For example, here we don't want that, we don't want that, and we don't want that. We only want websites. And here you can add the website types. So there will be a lot of different kind of website types. There will be content, there will be blog, directory, forum, community, review. They can be even e-commerce. In e-commerce, you can choose which type of e-commerce: digital product, drop shipping, inventory holding, Shopify, and they might be even services or transactional marketplace. So for us, we're just gonna choose everything. And here you can choose the industry to be more specific. For example, you want websites that basically are making blogs about cars. That's just as an example. Or basically selling or having like an e-commerce business about like home or clothes. And here you can check like the monthly users of the website. For example, I don't want them to be less than 100,000. Here the monthly page views, for example, 50 or 200,000. Here monthly revenue, we don't really need anything. Monthly profit, price range. So here you have to put the price. For example, 0 till, for example, 40,000. And as you can see now, we have filtered it a little bit. So we have now list businesses in this list. We have 13 results. So for example, there is this website that is been alive for the last 8 years. This is the website. We can literally go ahead and open it. So I think something like that. Let's check. Oh, my bad. IED. I can just write it right here. node.com. I couldn't really copy it, so that's why I'm just writing it like that. Let's check the website and how it looks like. So this is the website, and let's check if there is any ads running, so we can pause the ad block on this site. Let's pause this one as well, and now let's refresh and let's open a random page. Okay, it seems like there is ads running, which is good. So it is advertisable. Here, yep, it is working. There is ads everywhere in the site. We can check here for the latest blog and when was it uploaded on the system. They seem like they have removed it, so we can check it by clicking, I think, F12 and hovering on the blog itself. We can check it, I think, related, sidebar. Yeah, I think they have removed it, so nobody can check it. No problem. I think there will be no problem with it. Display. Okay, we can't really check the when was the last thing updated, but it seems like a legit website. There is like 81 page. We have accounting, marketing management, exclusive research. There is the business. There is a lot of things going on here. We have more, such as blog, peace, and conflict, which is good. There is so many languages. There is the dark mode and light mode. So this is very helpful. The price is 23, so we can now go ahead and give it an offer. So once you feel like everything is good for you, you can go ahead and open the website and you can read everything about it. For example, here show all, and you can see how many ads has been displayed, and basically here you can check like the total of money or that has been made. So here it is, as you can see in the picture, which is pretty decent. Nothing bad in it at all. Here you will find multiple pictures, total clicks, total impressions. As you can see, it's going down for some reason. Here, like CPM and CPR of the website, it's pretty decent, even though like the price, it doesn't feel like it is going all the way down. It's going down and up and down, up and down, so it's still good. So now what you have to do is either buy it for $58,000 now by clicking on buy it now, or contact the seller or place a bet. So you can do whatever you want of these three options, and just like that you will be able to buy the website and start making money. So this is how much money they have made in the last previous month, which is very good. You will have all the informations about the business, which will help you a lot. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.